Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan saya Lutfi Syahya dengan NIM 22129408 akan mencoba mempraktekkan membaca artikel dalam bahasa Inggris guna memenuhi tugas. Ya, baiklah. Developed discovery learning-based teaching materials to improve student critical thinking. Updates in the curriculum Merdeka in class 6 of elementary school. Process in order to influence students so that they can adapt or best possible to their environment and to bring about change in themselves. They enable them to function strongly in the world of equality. There are many components to support the continuity of education. On 1 week in curriculum, the curriculum is dependent on program that's for support. The program referred to in this case the learning process meaningful. Mainly according and law no and 2003 Concurrent National Education. Particle in so it can be concocted the curriculum in school. TS reference and curriculum is learning to that's and reference in carrying out the learning process to encourage what the expand education goal. As team goes to cannot buy the day curriculum in Indonesia. We'll continue to advocate to make the demand as currently happening and curriculum has been launched weeks in this note. Only to meet education log goals but at more adaptive to connect rapid development and the curriculum in curriculum Merdeka. On of the learning resource that best use in learning with the curriculum Merdeka upper is modules. A module in this context in learning on a design in structure and modular learning, where students can study in small group according to their specific learning according to Amina et al. Module in Merdeka curriculum learning requires private comprehensive courses to student in an independent group study focus on and random applying to material. Baiklah, sekian dari saya. Apabila ada kesalahan saya mohon maaf. Saya akhiri dengan Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.